Hello everybody, this is just a quick one, beans as I haven't uploaded today. I'm just here waiting to pick my lad up from kickboxing. There's my bloody arm, look, you see that, look at that lump, look at that blister, look, you can see it properly. Where is it? It's that in my arm. Anyway, me and that are going to do a live stream tomorrow. It's going to be dinner time. We're going to do Concrete Cake Live. It's going to be like an hour stream. So if you are on tomorrow dinner, or if you're free, pop on and say hello. Just because I ain't uploaded today, I thought I'd do a live stream, and it's a simple one. Because Nat can help me. And there's no hot water involved, which is good. Good for me. So it's going to be about 12:30 in the afternoon, I think. Something like that. It's going to be like an hour. I think that concrete cake doesn't take long to cook. So I'll put a community post up anyway when I get back, and pop on and say hello tomorrow if you're available. Till then, I'll see you later. Bye bye.